Hello students, today I am going to make a video how to determine square root and cube root from a mathematical table which is provided during the exam. A mathematical table is provided during the exam. So here you can see there is a page on which written powers and factorials. It is clear. If you see the very first column here, very first column means this column. Here numbers are written 1, 2, 3, 17, 18 and here if you see it is written up to 49. Then here it is 50, 51 and so on up to you can see it is written 99. Now how will you determine the square root and cube root? We are more concerned with the square root and cube root. Though you can see here, you can find x square, x cube, 10 upon x, root x, 1 upon square root x and cube root x by this table. Suppose you have to see the square root of 16. You can see here, in front of 16 and below the square root. In front of 16 and below the square root. What is this? It is 4. It's clear. If you have to see the cube root, then in front of 16, this and below the cube root, it is 2.520. Suppose you have to determine the square root of 57. You can see here. In front of 57 and below the square root, it is 7.550. And cube root in front of 57 and below the cube root it is 3.849. So in this way you can determine the square root of any two-digit number. Suppose 89, you have to find the square root. So in front of 89 and this one is the square roots column. So here if you see it is 9.434. If you see the cube root, then you will see here cube root is the last column. So in front of what is the cube root of 89? It is 4.465. So this way you can determine the cube root and square root of two-digit number. But suppose there is any three-digit number, there is any four-digit number and you have to determine square root. So there is a separate table of square root. You can see here. Here there is a separate table of square root. You can see. If you see here in the very first column there are two-digit number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and up to where? Up to the 30. Then here this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this is the 9. This is the this. Then you can see here that in front of every two-digit number there are two lines. In front of 10 there are two lines. Then in front of 11 there is two lines. Similarly after 30 you can see here. It is 31 up to where? Up to 53. Then on the next page, so in this way it is up to 99. Now how will you use this table? By which we can determine the square root of those numbers which are consisting more than two digits. Suppose it is consisting three digits. So what is the procedure? So first of all you will write the number in the powers of 10. You will write the numbers in the powers of 10. And in what way you will write? So that either there is two digits before the decimal point or one digit. But the power of 10 should be even. Power of 10 should be either 2, 4, 6 like this. मतलब हमको नंबर को 10 की पावर के फॉर्म में ऐसा रखना है कि डेसिमल के पहले या तो एक डिजिट रहे या क्या रहे? दो डिजिट रहे और 10 की पावर्स क्या हो? इवन नंबर में हो. For example, 35, 359. If you see 359, where is the decimal point? Decimal point is not here. So decimal point will be just after the unit place here. So when you will place one place, it will be 10 की power 1. When you will place two place, 10 की power 2. So we will change in this form. Because here power is even number. Now in next step you can write square root 359. 3.59 and 10 square का square root is 10. So if there is वन डिजिट बिफोर द डेसिमल, अगर डेसिमल के पहले एक डिजिट है तो हम कहां पर देखेंगे? 35 के सामने। वी विल सी वेयर 35 के सामने in the second line, in the second line. So you see here, I am adjusting it. First, let me adjust it. Yes. Have you got? In front of 35, there are two lines. We will, since here there is how many digits before decimal? Before decimal there is only one digit. तो हम कहां देखेंगे? In the first line. We will see in the first line. जब डेसिमल के पहले एक डिजिट होगी तो फर्स्ट लाइन में देखेंगे, अगर दो डिजिट्स होंगी तो सेकेंड लाइन में देखेंगे. सो हियर वी विल सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ 35 इन द फर्स्ट लाइन. व्हाट इज द थर्ड डिजिट हियर? सो यू कैन सी इट इज 9. सो थर्ड डिजिट you will see here, third digit will be seen here and fourth digit will be seen here. It is clear? So what is the third digit? 35 के सामने फर्स्ट लाइन में 9 के नीचे it is 1895. Have you got? It is 1895. 35 के सामने 9 के नीचे 1895. It is clear? There is no fourth digit. So what will be its square root? So you can see here 1895. So it will be written 1895. Decimal will be kept here. It is clear? That is this. So it will be 18.95. It is clear? 18.95. Suppose there are four digits. Four digits means like this, 174.9. So this you can write in the power of 10 in two ways, either in this way or in this way. But we will not accept this one. Why? Because here power of 10 is 1. It is clear? You have to make the power of 10 2 or 4. So we will take this one. So here once again you will see where? You will see in the first line. और किसके सामने? पहली दो डिजिट यहां पर क्या है? 17 है. सो 17 के सामने थर्ड डिजिट क्या है? 4 के नीचे देखेंगे और फोर्थ डिजिट 9 के नीचे. सो यू सी हियर, इफ यू सी हियर it is, I am adjusting. First you will see in the first line because there is one digit before decimal. decimal के पहले केवल एक डिजिट है तो पहली लाइन में देखेंगे. 17 के सामने एंड 4 के थर्ड डिजिट इज 4. थर्ड डिजिट इज 4. So 17 के सामने एंड 4 के नीचे. So it is equal to what? 1319. So you write down 1319. 1319 you have written. It is clear? Then what is the fourth digit? So fourth digit is 9. 17 के सामने 9 के नीचे. So it is what? It is 4. You can see here last column is for 9. So it is 4. 17 के सामने 9 के नीचे in the fourth digit it is 4. So it will be equal to what? 1323. So what will be this? It will be 1.323 into what is the square root of 100? 10. So it is 13.23. 13.23. This will be the answer. Suppose if it is 1749, then what will you do? Then how will you see? So see here 1749. Then you will write in this form. It's clear? Now there are how many digits before the decimal? 2. It's clear? There are how many digits before the decimal? 2. So once again you will see in front of 17, but now in the second line. Now in the second line. Now see here. In front of 17, third digit below 4, fourth digit below 9. Third digit will be seen from here. It's clear? Fourth digit will be seen from here. So you see here. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4171. And what is the difference? Difference is here below the fourth, it is 11. So it is 4171 and 11. So you write down here 4171 and 11. So this is equals to what? 4182. So it will be 4.182. What is the square root of 100? 10. So it is 41.82. It is 41.82. Suppose if there is 5-digit number. So here how will you see? So it is 34768. If you write in decimal form, where is the decimal point? Decimal point is this. So you can write this way. It's clear. But when you write in this way, then powers of 10 is odd. So you write in this way. It's clear. Now here there are 5 digits. So you convert in the 4 digit. How will you convert? By approximating it is more than 5. So you will add 1 in preceding place. So it is 3.477. So now how will you see? 34 के सामने 7 and difference में भी 4th digit is also 7. So you can see here in front of 34 in the first line because there is 1 digit. You can see here in front of 34 below 7 it is 1863 and in the difference also below 7. So it is what? It is here 2. So it is 1863 and 2. 1863 and 2. So it is 1865. So it will be equal to what? 1.865 and the square root of 10 की power 4, 10 की power 2, that is 100. So what is it? Is 186.5. It's clear. This is the answer. So I will upload this pages of this table in the description box. From there you can download. Thank you.